Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. Sometimes I go to a Chinese massage place to get good acupressure done over the clothes. So this week I'm going to show you what I like getting done on my lower back. Between the hip bone and the last rib, you can access the muscles next to the spine. These are called erector spinae. It's a group of 3 muscle groups: spinalis, longissimus, and iliocostalis. These ropey muscles run parallel to the spine and sometimes get very hard after long hours of standing. So my favorite massage therapist grabs these ropey muscles with his thumbs and presses towards the spine. He goes up and down between the hip bone and the rib, sometimes shaking the muscles. He has very big, strong hands, and this feels amazing. He knows I like hard pressure, so he usually overlaps his thumbs for more pressure. He then presses the tight spots with his forearm towards the spine. With this, you can go deeper, and you're also treating quadratus lumborum, also known as QL, which is a hip hiker. Then he just pauses, sometimes using the elbow, but he's only on the muscles and not on the spine, and it feels so good and it hurts good. His hand must be limp because I feel he's relaxed, which I like. You can just tell if someone is just using the body weight or straining something during massage. Another thing he does is pressing the lower back towards the hip bone. Again, he must be overlapping his thumbs for more pressure. I always learn from other massage therapists, and if I like something, I do it to my clients. So for me, getting a massage is like getting a continuing education. Too bad I can't get CE credits for my massage licenses. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.